Here I have Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button mobile hotspot. So by holding on it your finger, you can access some of its settings. By tapping on it once, you can just switch it. So like you can also switch it here in settings. Okay, turn off Wi-Fi, no problem. So that's how you can switch it, but firstly you have to turn off Wi-Fi. That's the condition. You can also change some of its settings, like you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its AP band, you can change its security protocol. In advanced, you can also broadcast channel. You can select the broadcast channel, you can set mobile data limit, you can change MAC address type, you can set it like turn off timeout. You can also set your network to be hidden, and you can also protect management frames. So yeah, a lot of settings. You can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can see connected devices. You can also perform some actions with them. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.